Ka jingikran lengba ka video conference pat umitirang ba do kari India Narendra Modi ha ka laidarik unai weng arajar huai ka longpan kentie yo ka jingwan sim injek ya da COVID-19 ki pai ba ka jela. Ya gani la pentip do umitirang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma hakilat patai kubor hadian katai ke jelang ulong ba ka sorkar ka bu thong monra sispa nak sispa ka jingai tika ya da COVID-19 ha ka jela. Ha ka ju upor umitirang ba ula ajumut kumnu ban pensngu thu ya ki brio ban wan sakmat kamtam na ki district berang na ba ka jingwan ai tika ya da COVID-19.
So this was a meeting where the Prime Minister had discussed the vaccination with certain deputy commissioners of the country. About 9 deputy commissioners were where the Prime Minister interacted directly. Out of those 9, the East Garo Hills also was there because East Garo Hills also is one of the states in which it is one of the districts where the vaccination is lesser than the national average. Though it is at about 50 plus now, it's still below the national average. So therefore, other districts which were below the national average were also discussed. Prime Minister has given suggestions to all the districts to how to improve on it, and a long discussion took place. A lot of interaction was there between the deputy commissioners and the Prime Minister. And from our point as the chief ministers, the Honorable Prime Minister wanted us to be there so that this matter would be taken up seriously. And so the deputy commissioners mostly spoke, but more or less we also have made up our mind that in the next 2 months, so that we as a state during this festive season can actually enjoy the festive season and move out more freely. We would also want to see that the vaccination process reaches 100% within this festive season, which means before Christmas we'll be targeting that we should achieve 100%. And with that motive, we have also planned out a few points. We'll be finalizing them in a day or two, and we'll be pushing for more vaccination in the coming weeks and the coming